Checking finance, the share market closed higher. The All Ords up 57 points. Our dollar buying 75 US cents. Petrol prices, the average for unleaded in Brisbane just over $2. Diesel at $2.21. On the Gold Coast, unleaded there around $2.05. Well, thousands of cars, caravans, boats and trucks caught up in the floods across the southeast last month are going up for auction. Some are destined for parts or to be sent overseas, but others are repairable, set to sell for a bargain.
More than 5,000 cars caught up in last month's rain bomb up for auction.
Never ending every day, as quick as we can sell them, as quick as they come in.
Many of the vehicles also coming from flood-ravaged northern New South Wales. Mannheim auctioneers say 90% are statutory write-offs, meaning the vehicles can't be re-registered.
They're predominantly used for parts dismantling, exporting, metal recycling and wreckers alike.
But there are dozens of cars deemed repairable write-offs by insurers too, where water hasn't inundated the vehicle, from Minis to Mustangs, Mercedes and Mazdas.
There's some bargains there for repairable write-offs, and some still run and start and go.
So people need to be really careful.
The RACQ says a personal property register check is a must, revealing the vehicle's accident history.
You don't know whether the car's had fresh water or salt water through it. Issues with electrics and all the mechanical elements of the vehicle.
This Ferrari went underwater at a panel beater. It won't go back on the road in Australia, but is likely to be sent overseas.
The motor wasn't inundated with water or something like that, but depending on the laws in the country that you send it to, you might get yourself a bargain.
But it's not just cars that are for sale, there's caravans, trucks, industrial equipment, even these boats. Despite what you see, all these vessels are repairable.
Area that literally floated down the Brisbane River, ended up on Bribie Island, and it's full of driftwood. It's sold as is with the driftwoods.
The auction starts tomorrow online on Mannheim's website. Shannon Marshall McCormack, 9 News.
Oh, some sorry sights there. Well, let's take a look at the full forecast. Back to Gary. Gaz, where is this weather system heading?
Well, the low-pressure trough is offshore now, Lofty. It is deepening, but thankfully it's heading further south. Not good news for New South Wales, and that's where the heaviest of the rain and the strongest winds will be. But we do have a dangerous surf warning for the Gold Coast. The winds will be west-southwest as they kick in tomorrow. I want to show you the radar. Starting from early hours this morning, the remnants from last night's heavy rain, the widespread 250 to 350 millimetres around the Gold Coast. But that has just eased back to just a few showers now across southeast Queensland. Now, on to temperatures. And the overnight minimum 15 in Toowoomba, a top of 28 on the Sunshine Coast. Coolangatta on the Gold Coast only made it to 24, along with Ipswich. Brisbane 25 degrees. To the weather map, and the low pressure system off the southeast Queensland coast is heading south, taking the heavy rain and strong winds into eastern New South Wales. For the major centres, a shower or two for Perth and Melbourne. Possible shower in Hobart, only 16 tomorrow. Scattered showers about in Sydney. Queensland, sunny and warm. Cairns, Townsville, Mackay, Rocky and Gladstone. Partly cloudy and low 30s for the Wide Bay and Burnett. Hot and sunny inland with mid-30s for Mount Isa and Longreach. Early shower clearing in Roma. For the southeast, our backyard, look, a partly cloudy day after some early morning showers and possible storms. There'll be fresh west to southwesterly winds. Overnight temperatures ranging between 15 and 19. Daytime highs, well, mid to high 20s. Moreton Bay, west to southwest 10, even up to 20 knots. The seas rising to 2 metres offshore. Not too bad though on the bay. Brisbane, chance of early morning showers, a possible storm, then a partly cloudy day with a high of 28 degrees in freshening west to southwesterlies. 7-day outlook, partly cloudy, 29 Thursday, partly cloudy Friday and Saturday, mostly fine, and 29 Sunday and into Monday. Ipswich, partly cloudy, high 20s Thursday, Friday and Saturday. We are looking at mostly fine conditions Sunday and Monday. The Gold Coast, partly cloudy, 28 Thursday, possible shower Friday and a mostly fine weekend with mid-20s. And the Sunshine Coast, mostly fine Thursday and 28, 26 Friday, Saturday 25 in southerly winds, and we are looking mostly fine for Sunday. So still some scattered showers overnight and tomorrow morning, some strengthening winds tomorrow, but then it should start to dry out for Thursday, Lofty.
Good news, thanks Gary. And before we go, here's a look at a story you won't want to miss on 9 News tomorrow night.
4 times the protection against 4 different strains. The new flu vaccine for over 60s, protecting you from the upcoming horror flu season. We reveal when and where to get it. Plus, the official winners of 2022's Best Value phone plans, SIM-only deals and prepaid. 9 News tomorrow.
And that is 9 News Queensland for this evening. Deb Knight is up next with a current affair. Thanks for your company. From all of us, have a good evening. Good night.